Christmas Day, celebrated annually on December 25th, holds profound cultural and religious significance for millions of people worldwide. Rooted in Christian tradition, it commemorates the birth of Jesus Christ in Bethlehem over 2,000 years ago. The narrative of the Nativity, as outlined in the New Testament of the Bible, narrates the miraculous conception of Jesus by the Virgin Mary and his subsequent arrival. While Christmas holds deep religious roots, its observance has expanded to include diverse, cultural, and secular traditions. From the reading of Christmas stories and the hanging of stockings to the vibrant displays of lights illuminating neighborhoods, Christmas Day remains a time for people around the world to come together, celebrate joy, and cherish the bonds of family and community. Once upon a time in a small village, there lived a poor but kind-hearted family. Christmas was approaching, and the children, Tim and Lily, were eagerly awaiting the festivities. However, their parents couldn't afford any gifts or a special Christmas meal. Despite their hardships, Tim and Lily's father were known for their generosity and kindness. The village was tight-knit, and everyone looked out for one another. As Christmas Eve approached, the community decided to organize a small celebration to bring cheer to the less fortunate. On Christmas morning, the entire village gathered in the town square. The air was filled with laughter and joy as everyone exchanged heartfelt wishes. Tim and Lily's father, Thompsons, though hesitant, joined the festivities, grateful for the sense of community. To their surprise, the villagers had pooled resources to provide gifts and a festive feast for the Thompson family. Tim and Lily's eyes sparkled with delight as they unwrapped their presents, and Mr. and Mrs. Thompson were moved to tears by the unexpected kindness. In that simple village celebration, the true spirit of Christmas shone bright. The lesson learned that day was that the joy of giving and the warmth of community far surpassed any material gifts. The Thompsons, inspired by the love they received, vowed to pay it forward in the years to come, teaching their children that the true magic of Christmas lies in generosity, compassion, and the bonds we share with one another. Christmas is always a flow in the heart, not a date on a calendar.